Imagine a civilization so advanced that it requires the energy output of an entire star. It sounds like science fiction, yet this idea intrigues astronomers and engineers alike. Developed by renowned physicist Freeman Dyson, the concept of the Dyson Sphere sets the stage for unlimited energy possibilities. But what exactly is a Dyson Sphere, and how might its creation pose some of humanity's most significant engineering challenges? Freeman Dyson proposed his revolutionary idea in the 1960s. He envisioned an advanced civilization constructing a massive, fully encompassing structure around a star to capture its energy. This bold concept intended to harness an amount of energy that would dwarf what any single planet's surface could provide. To offer some perspective, if we imagine the entire solar energy striking the Earth in just 1 hour, equal to all human consumption across a year, a Dyson Sphere would take that to astronomical levels. However, the idea often raises more questions than it answers. One of the most significant engineering challenges in building a Dyson Sphere lies in its sheer scale. Creating a solid shell around a star, an initial vision that many reference, would require unimaginable quantities of materials and resources, likely far beyond what Earth can provide. To adapt, newer conceptualizations suggest a swarm design. Instead of a single, continuous sphere, a Dyson Swarm consists of a multitude of smaller structures orbiting the star, each capturing a fraction of the energy. This could be a more feasible approach, as it allows for incremental construction, reducing structural stress and risk. However, even the swarm concept poses incredible challenges. Transporting materials in space, requiring a robust logistical network, presents another massive hurdle. Furthermore, engineering such a fleet to operate and maintain a stable orbit while avoiding collisions is a monumental task. Space would no longer be merely the vast emptiness between stars, but a bustling metropolis of energy collectors. As we contemplate these futuristic designs, a more recent episode brings the conversation from theory to speculation. In 2015, astronomers observed peculiar dimming patterns in the light coming from a star known as KIC 8462852, often called Tabby's star. Some of its light seemed to dim by up to 22%, an anomaly that sparked theories ranging from interstellar dust clouds to the exotic idea of an alien megastructure, a potential Dyson Swarm. Despite the allure of such a connection with Dyson's vision, subsequent studies have found more mundane explanations, like irregular star activity or orbiting dust clouds. Nevertheless, the mystery captured public imagination and invigorated discussions about the possibilities of stellar-scale engineering and how we might one day encounter evidence of such advanced civilizations. Now, let us take a step back and consider the Dyson Sphere concept through the lens of Earth's current energy challenges. Imagine global energy demand in 2050. Continually rising, it prompts our growing reliance on renewable resources, especially solar energy. In a future where our technological ambitions might match our imagination, could humanity ever aspire to such celestial endeavors? The vision of a Dyson Sphere pushes the boundaries of what's conceivable. It fosters a broader understanding of where potential innovation may lead. It isn't just about the immediate practicality, but also expanding horizons, exploring far-reaching possibilities, driving creativity, and inspiring generations of scientists and dreamers to look beyond our blue planet. In conclusion, while a Dyson Sphere, whether in shell or swarm form, remains hypothetical, it underscores humanity's quest to expand and transcend our terrestrial confines. Freeman Dyson's bold idea continues to captivate our imaginations and inspires scientific and engineering ingenuity. What are your thoughts? Could humanity ever master the engineering feats required for constructing such colossal structures? We appreciate hearing your views and encourage you to share them in the comments. Let's explore together the frontiers of what might one day become reality.